Welcome. Today in front of me MEIZU M5S, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing in your device. Here we get the message that the Ampere app successfully installed on our device. Now just open the app. Here tap to OK, and on the left down corner tap OK. And as can you see, here we got the information about the health of our battery. That's good. Also we got here more information about the level of our battery. It's 9%, and about the temperature of the battery, the Android version and model of our device, and more other information. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.